Hi! Hi, kids! Hi!
That box, a big
What?
box.
Big box?
Yeah. Yes, we charged in it.
Do you think it's satanic, kuya?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Satanic? Don't dial your nose.
I'm charging it.
Okay. Do you think it's satanic?
Yes.
Do you think so? How about you, Atarah? What's inside the box? This box.
Charging it.
This big box. What is it?
It's charging it.
It's Titanic. How about you?
Charging it.
Titanic also?
Yes.
You do love Titanic.
Yes, you have charging
But-
also.
The inside of the box is what? For
Open.
real friends.
Open.
Okay, we will open. Wait lang ha.
With Titanic for real friends.
Titanic for real friends. You do love Titanic, kuya. Wait lang ha.
I love Titanic so much.
You love Titanic so much. Okay, let's open this box. Let's to see what's inside the box. Then you take a picture ha
Titanic
of the box.
of the Titanic.
Mm.
The Titanic. I want the Titanic.
Oh, wait lang, Atarah.
I want the Titanic.
We'll
Mommy,
open
I
the
want
box.
Titanic.
What's inside the big box?
It's Titanic.
Wow! Atarah is very excited and Kuya is also excited.
I want
to open it?
Titanic.
Look,
Titanic.
look, Atarah.
That is my
Look.
toy.
Hmm?
That's my
Wait lang, wait lang. Come on.
I want to see.
You want to see? Oh.
Yes. Can
You
I
want to see? Okay, wait,
I
let's
want the
see.
Titanic.
You want the Titanic?
I'm
Oh
so
no.
excited.
Wait. Let's
I want to
open it.
see.
Continue to open it.
I want to see it.
You want to see it?
Yes.
What's inside the magical
I want
box?
to see it. I want to see
What's
it.
inside the magical box, Atarah?
I want to see. Wow! Titanic! No!
It's Titanic?
I need Titanic. Yeah. I need
There's a
some
balloon.
Titanic. No, it's mine. I
No,
want
no, share.
Titanic. Titanic.
Wow! What's inside? You miss me? Wow, what's inside? What's this, Atarah?
It's for me.
Oops.
Hanging around.
Mine. See? Mine. See? I want to see.
It's cute.
Can,
Can
I touch the bird?
Okay, sure. You can touch the bird.
I love you.
I love you. I love you.
It's me.
Oh, did you miss me? Oh, see? Wow.
What's that?
See? Wow, it's so nice.
This is the top.
Yes, the top.
The top of the building. You see
Top of the
close to
building? Tallest building?
Yes, even the world.
It's like the hair of the
And the
parrot.
Titanic.
See?
My favorite.
See? Rockatoo, the showbird.
Can I see?
Yes, it sings and dances. See? Sing and dances, records and repeats what you say, tells jokes, and it uses times 4 AA battery from Hasbro.
Can
This toy is from Hasbro. See?
want to see it.
Hasbro.
I love you.
There's strings.
I love it too.
There's
Responds
strings.
with 50 plus
There's
sounds
strings.
and motions.
There's strings.
Combinations.
Mommy,
See?
there's strings. We need to move the strings.
Yes, we will remove the strings. Wait. Then,
So,
see, touch it.
the bird.
Touch the this one.
This
Oh,
one.
the beak.
The beak. The
I'm
beak
back.
of
Did you miss
of
me?
The bird.
Then see the sides.
Go and you want bird pouch.
Yes, you know the Jurong Bird Park?
Yes, before there on the video.
There's a Jurong Bird Park. There's a lot of birds like this, right?
Yes, I went there with mommy and dad. Mommy and other thing and
Wow.
Atarah.
Ayan, sige. For real? Be careful with the mouth, ha? Because it moves. For real, sing and dance with this talented
Nice.
bird.
Nice.
See?
The eyes.
With this talented bird.
Wings. The wings. I want the high wings.
See, perform 3 cool. It performed 3 cool song and dance routines. See? And laugh at his wacky jokes. Pet his cheek for lovable responses.
Can I see in the back?
Can you touch the cheeks?
Ready, set.
Touch the cheeks. Touch the cheeks. Okay? So we will remove in the box to see the whole
I love you.
I love you too. To see the whole picture. The whole bird.
Wow.
Okay. You like it, kuya? Okay, let's remove it in the box.
I want to move the strings. The strings are...
Okay, let's remove the strings, okay? Oh, did you miss me?
Yeah.
Yes.
The strings here.
Oh, wait lang, kuya. Wait. You have to wait.
Doing the wings.
Oo nga, we will remove it nga.
Oh.
Let's remove the tape first. The tape. Be careful with the bird, ha? Don't touch the mouth.
Don't touch the mouth.
Yes, because it's open and close. It talks. Your hand will get caught. Wow, see? Showtime. It's showtime. Oh.
Lips.
Your lips. Wait lang. Wow, see the bird. It's so nice. It looks like a real bird.
With your dad, tighten your come.
Yes.
And with your...
Check me out. We will remove him.
You need to with your mom. With your mom.
Okay, we will get the toy. Up.
Hanging around.
I still the mouth. And
We will remove it.
Showtime.
How come it's not removed? Can we pull it like this? Oh no, it cannot. Okay, at the bottom, we check the bottom. I love you too. Now we will check the bottom. We'll remove. See? Oh yes, there. See, at the bottom, we need to remove it at the bottom.
strings.
There's no strings.
Strings.
Check me out. I think we need to rotate this one. Wait lang ha, Atarah.
Did you miss me?
Yes, of course, I miss you.
I missed you. I'm gonna tighten it. Mommy, I want to tighten it.
Oh, see? Remove the screw at the bottom. Oh, yes, okay. Later na ha.
Come.
Oh, see? Wow, it's released now. It's released. So you can get the...
Tails.
It's showtime. See? Wait ah. See?
Strings new
Did you
move.
miss me?
Can I get it?
Wait.
There's under the wings.
Yes, there's a string in the wings.
Showtime.
Still.
We need to remove it as well.
There's one.
There's
one
two.
here.
Both sides.
Both sides.
Yes, both sides. So we need to remove it. Oh, yes. I know you're so excited, but you have to wait. Or else we cannot remove it carefully. Might get destroyed.
Oh, yes.
Oh, see? Then,
Oh.
it should be released now. Wow, hi! Hi, Kakatu!
I want to get it.
Wait! I love it too.
Titanic.
So the bird is here, see?
I want to say hi.
Did you miss me? Oh, say hi, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi!
After
Wow, it's so nice!
I'll beat you.
It's so nice, no?
It's my Titanic.
Wow! Atarah, how about your best friend?
Oh. Why you be that?
Showtime.
Oh.
Oh, you sit down here. You sit down. Sit down here. Sit down. Show it to the video. Kakatu. Oh, put it in the not here in the table. Put in the table.
Oh.
See?
Trap.
What it can do? What it can do?
Hey, check me out.
Whoa. That's the
So
tail.
Atarah is very happy with the bird.
I want to put here. Put here.
You.
What's that?
Put it here.
Wow,
Can
see?
I touch it?
Yes, you can touch it.
How can I touch it?
See the hair? The hair is so nice.
The hair.
The hair is so nice. The tail is very nice, see?
I want to touch it.
The fur of the tail is very nice. Soft.
Long.
I love you.
My eyes.
Oh, see,
the wings
eyes.
are too big.
Oh.
Funny name.
Oh, let's check if it's it.
Ready, set.
Let's go. Oh, dance, yes. Dance. Dance.
Quiet.
It will not fly. Oh, sit down there.
It's not flying.
Oh, see, let's check. If I touch the chicks.
Fly. It's not flying.
I love you.
I love it too.
It's not flying.
Check me out.
Check me out. Wow.
I'm back.
Now sing down to this, to the black one.
Wow. No, black one. Wow, see? Can we see Atarah? Put it down first in the table. Let's see if how it sings. How it sings. Touch the tummy.
Showtime. Ready, set.
Wow. So let it dance.
Oh, boy,
I love you.
I love you daw, Atarah.
I love you too.
Wow. How about you, Kuya?
Whoa, whoa.
I'm back. Did you miss me?
Yeah.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, the mouse, the bit. So.
What's that? What's that?
Oh, touch. Oh, let's try it. If it's done, it will dance. Touch that tummy. Touch the tummy. See?
Hey, what's up?
Touch your tummy. Touch your tummy. It's showtime. Oh, showtime.
Ready.
Ready, get it, go. Dance. Let's dance. Dance. Wow.
Handle.
you.
I love you. I love you too. Oh, nice. So, Atarah is enjoying. Do you like it, Kuya?
Hanging around.
I love you.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? Woohoo!
It's just so dirty.
I love you too.
Oh,
Wow.
it's a mouse spit. Mouse spit. Take this, the head like this.
Wow.
It's swim.
Oh no.
Swim.
It's sleeping.
What's up?
I need her. Oh no, I want to do like this. No. I don't know.
Hi.
Oh, what's that tappy bear? Tappy
I love you.
Kuya.
I love you daw.
What's that tappy bear?
Oh, next time, huh?
No, the tighten it also. Tighten it.
Check me out.
I'm back. Did you miss me?
Yeah.
Did you miss me?
Dad, what's that?
Kuya, come here first.
No, we
You know.
need to charge this phone.
Hanging around.
Mama, excuse me. Excuse me.
What's up?
I need something. Excuse me. Wait.
Wait, I don't touch the, don't touch the wings like that. It might get destroyed.
I love you.
I love you.
Hey, check me out.
Oh my god.
Back. I'm back. Did you miss me?
Yes. I missed you.
I miss you too, Atarah.
What's that? What's
If
that?
you can that watch.
Let's later na.
Hanging around. Hanging around.
He likes me.
He likes you.
Hey, what's up?
He wants me to. Ay.
Hey, what's up?
Wow, so nice.
Don't touch the beak.
No, touch the beak.
The beak of the bird. The beak. Sleeping.
Oh, it's sleeping.
No. I want like this one, like this. No. This one, this one.
Don't touch the hair. The hair?
I love
Yes,
you.
it's moving. The head
Moving?
is moving.
Hey, check me out.
Yeah, the hair is like this.
Hello, Rakato.
I'm back. Did you miss me? What's that? What's that?
Rakato.
Hanging around. Hanging around.
Rakato.
What's up? Showtime.
A fish is stuck.
Ready, set, do the I love you.
No.
I love it too. What do you want?
Hey, check me out.
Mommy, it's moving. I want to tell the hanging
Okay,
there.
sure.
Oh no, it's hanging.
Don't do that.
It's hanging.
Did you miss me?
It's hanging to
Game, see Atarah, oh, see? At the back of the parrot, you should check first
Can I see?
the button. See, there's a button at the back. See?
Can I see in the beat? I want to see there.
You should
back.
check the back. Because the back, there's a demo button. See? It's on, but there's a demo button. See, the middle is the demo. Then on. You should on the button first at the back. See? Atarah, you can enjoy it now. Faster.
That is flying.
Yes, see the
The wings.
yes, see?
I
Oh.
want the fly. I want
So
to go
it's
to
talking
fly.
now. It's talking correctly now.
Higher.
Let's get the party started. Go.
To the left, to the right.
I want the boat to fly. I want the boat to fly. Fly up. Yes, I want the boat to fly.
Put your wings
Mommy, I want to
See?
fly.
Put the wings.
wing down.
Wing down.
Wing up, wing up, wing down. Do the wing swing. Do the
See?
wing
So
swing.
nice. It's dancing.
The mic. That's right. Rock the mic.
Rock the mic. That's right.
No way.
No way.
I want the boat to fly.
Wow.
Oh. Hey, wanna hear a joke?
Oh,
Why
joke,
did
joke.
the spider go onto his laptop?
There's a joke, Atarah.
In his website.
There's a joke.
From
It's
cloud,
something.
huh?
Oh, see?
Let's wing it. Up,
Oh yeah, I like that.
down, down. Rock
See?
up, down.
Mommy,
Woo! Wow, so nice.
dancing.
Come here, Atarah. You sit down here.
Dancing.
This is dancing. See, it's dancing, Atarah.
Mommy, why the boat just walk?
Wow!
Rock-a-doo-doo.
Rock-a-tutu!
Bunny, I want to handle the bunny.
Rock-a-doo-doo.
Rock-a-tutu! Oh, let's check, Atarah. Let's check.
No. Bunny.
Hello, Atarah.
Hammer.
Say it.
No.
Hello, Atarah.
Not for yours, my flat.
See? Atarah, did you hear that? Come here. Huh? Hello, Atarah. Hello, Atarah. Oh, again. You press the ano. Hello. It's dancing. It's dancing. It's dancing. It's singing. It's singing, Atarah. Wow, see?
For real?
Hammer, smile. Look at Bunny. The teddy bear up together.
Down, down.
Rock-a-doo-doo.
Wow, that was awesome.
Why?
Oh, see? Wow, performing. Fix the tail. The tail. Oh, yan. Wow. So, Atarah is having a bonding with Kakatu
I like that.
and the bears. See, the bears also listening to the song of Kakatu performing. Wow, so nice. There's an audience. Ano? It's talking. Oh, put it here so the bear are listening to the song.
Sweetest bird,
See?
sweetest bird.
Sweetest bird. They're listening to the performance of the Kakatu, the bear, and Atarah. Also Atarah. See? Wow.
Hey, wanna hear a joke?
Yes.
Why did a spider go onto his laptop?
Why?
I need to change clothes.
Website. Oh, yes.
Change.
Right. Say goodbye first. Goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.
I need to change.
Yeah.
Shake to the left.
Shake to the left. Oh, dance. Atarah, dance first. Dance.
La 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 la. That was awesome.
Be careful, ha? It might fall. Wait, wait. I love you? It says I love you.
Joke time. Here's a good one.
Wee!
That's wrong stick. That's hilarious.
Look, Kakato loves jokes. See, Kakato loves
For
jokes.
real?
Of course, it's for real. Sit, dance, Atarah, dance, please, dance. 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 Dance, dance. Dance. Dance, go, dance. Dance, dance. Oh, be careful. Galing. Oh, another one, another dance, please.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Ay, hi, Captain. Dance again, Atarah. Dance, please. Dance. Wow.
Hey, wanna hear a joke? What type of music are balloons afraid of?
Dance, dance, Atarah.
Music.
Oh, put it down so you can dance. Put it there also.
Wow, that's amazing.
Wow. Are you having a bonding with Kakato, Atarah?
Hello, Atarah. Hello, Atarah.
Hello, Atarah.
Hello, Atarah.
Hello, Atarah. Hello, Atarah.
Mommy,
Yes, Atarah.
eating sugar.
No, Atarah.
Dairy was
No, Atarah.
after you, mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
What's up?
What's up? Oh, Atarah is having a bonding with Kakato.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, go, games. Dance, please, dance. Dance. Please. Wow.
See. Oh, sorry.
Hmm.
Joke time. What do mummies like to listen to?
Sleeping.
Music.
Sleeping in the floor. Uh-oh.
Wow. Tell me
I
more.
do it. Uh-oh.
Hmm. No, Atarah. Don't jump over the Kakato.
Okay,
Oh, sleeping na? Oh, don't do that because it will get destroyed because it's moving. That. Oh, see, please, dance. Dance, please. Wow, Atarah dance.
need to carry.
Okay, carry it.
Do the wing swing.
Oh, dance, please, dance.
Wing down.
I don't know.
You don't know.
It's not moving and the it's done.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? Says really? Oh, nice. Morning na. Oh, wow.
No way.
Wow, no way. Good evening. Good night. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Best friend.
Of course, you're my best friend. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, wanna hear a joke?
Carry it in the bed na. You want to sleep with the bed?
Yeah, my back.
Okay. Good night, parrot. Atarah is sleeping with the parrot. Good night. Yeah. Ayun na yung boses.
Ano ng paa?
Oh, Atarah, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, Kakato and Atarah and Daddy. Good night.